Okay. Good morning, children. So, in today's class, we will learn a new chapter. So, what is the name of the chapter? Yes, you are right. The name of the chapter is addition. So, first, I will tell you what is addition. Say, suppose I am having this pens. Suppose I am having in my right hand 1 and 2 pens, and in my left hand, see, 2 other pens are there. So now if we add these all pens, it will become 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now what I did, I just add 2 with another 2. So it becomes 4. So the process in which we count forward, or we count or we add the things or the numbers, that is called addition. So here you can see that I have written for you that I had 3 chocolates. First of all, I had 3 chocolates, and 3 chocolates I had, and my mother gave me 2 more. So if I add 3 chocolates, suppose 1, 2 and 3, and my mom gave me 2 more, 1, 2. So if we add all this, so it will come as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in total. So in total, now I am having 5 chocolates. So the process in which we are adding the things or the numbers is called as addition. Coming to the next. Yes. So here one kind of definition you can say. What is addition? So addition is nothing but to add the numbers in forward mode. So in addition we count forward. We count forward. Now let us see some sums I have just jotted down for you. Example 3 plus 2, 5. Example next 6 plus 3. You can see I have written some lines. I have drawn some lines. So 6 plus 3, we will count it in, we can count these things or object in various ways. So the first way is to count the numbers with standing lines. So you can see 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and another 3, 1, 2, 3. So if we add this together, it will come as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Understood, children? Very good. Now coming to the next. Yes. So here we need to learn some things. That is you can say it as here you can see 6 plus 3 and the total number is 9. So here 6 is addendum or addends, and 3 is also added, but 9 is the sum. Here 9 is sum. Remember this. 6 is addend, 3 is also addend, 9 is sum. In your book, you will see some exercises there. So we will do it together. Okay. So 5, number 1 is 5 plus 3. So tell me, children, just see your hand. In your one hand, how many fingers are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And one more number is there, that is 3. So let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Did you understand? If not, I am repeating it once more. 5 plus 3. If we just add it as with the help of standing lines, it will come as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. So let us count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So the number will come as 8. So the total number is 8. I think now you have understood. Next, 2 plus 7. Count it. 2. 2 plus 7. We can count it with our hands also. 1, 2. Again 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if we add it together, it will. Okay. So just count it like that. With the help of standing line also, you can solve it. So if I solve it like the number is 2 plus 7. So the answer will be 9. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Next, 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. Very easy. Next, 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Next, 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. 9 plus 4, 13. You all will do this in your book as well as in copy. Coming to the next. Wait, let me rub it for you so that it will become more visible. Yes. Now very easy thing. 2 plus 2. 2. Again another 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 9 plus 7, 16. 8 plus 7, it is 15. And 3 plus 2, 5. Very easy. Next, 5 plus 5. 5. 5. Then another 5. So if we count it together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 5. Then another 5. If we add it together, it will come as 10. Now 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. 11 plus 5. 16. 3 plus 3. 3. Again another 3. So if we count it together, it will come as 6. 10 plus 6, 16. 12 plus 3, 15. Make sure to do all this in your book as well as in copy. Now we have done till this 2-digit numbers, but only this type of number, but again we can see that 2 is there, 3, then 6. Just count it. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 plus 6, 11. Yes. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 5, 11. Next, 4 plus 6 is equal to 10 plus 8, 18. 12 plus 5, 17 plus 2. 17 plus 2, if we add together, it will come as 19. Here some exercise is there. Find the sum. So you will do it in your copy as well as in book. I have done it so far. For you, 4 plus 8. Anybody from here? 4 plus 8. If we add it in standing with the help of standing lines, it will come. I will do it as 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let us count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So the answer will be 1 to 12. Tell me children. Tell me 1 to 12. Now 9 plus 7. The same process we will do it with the help of this system or the way we will add this one also. So the first addend is 9. The second addend is 7. So let us draw the standing lines. 1, wait a bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then what is the next addend? The next addend is 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if we add it together, let us see what number will come. You will practice it like this. There are various ways. To count it. So let us see how many lines are there. First number is 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and one more, that is 7. So let us count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So the addend was 9 and 7 and the sum which comes, the sum is 16. So 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. Tell me everyone. Just repeat once more. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. Coming to the next. Yes, 9 plus 9. So, any guesses? 9 plus 9? Anybody will do it for me? Okay, I will do it for you. But make sure to repeat with me. The first addend is 9. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. The first addend is 9. And the next addend is also 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we need to calculate it together. We need to calculate it together. So let us do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and the last one is 18. See, the answer is also 1, 8, 18. So the sum is 18. First addend was 9. Next addend was also 9. And the sum is 18. The total sum of 9 and 9 is 18. Coming to the next thing, that is 6 plus 2. It is very easy, children. You can do it by yourself also. Make sure to practice. If you practice more, you will learn more. Okay. So 6 plus 2. Now, first addend is what? Tell me everybody. First addend is what? Very good. The first addend is 6. So I will draw how many lines? Tell me. Wow, that's great. Yes, I will draw 6 lines. Something went wrong. Yes. Now 6 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what is the next addend? Yes, you are very much right. 2. 1, 2. Now we need to add it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So I have written it as 8. The first addend is 6, next addend is 2 and the sum is 8. Okay, understood children? Make sure to draw the lines in your copy and do the sums. Like the same way, we will solve these sums also. See, your ma'am has drawn these shapes for you. Okay. See, these are so colorful. It will attract you and it will make you happy. Now, the first addend is what? 6. So, I will draw 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next addend is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next is 2. 1, 2. Is it visible children? I hope the video is visible. So let us count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 6 plus 4 plus 2 is 12. In a very short message, I want to tell you that if we add 4 plus 2 is 6 and 6 plus 6 is also 12. But as we are in a learning position, so we need to add in the process only. So 2 plus 6 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 12. Same simultaneously, we will add say 7 plus 5 plus 3. So the answer will come as 5. But make sure to draw lines and to practice. The next is 9 plus 1 plus 8. We know it very well that 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 10 and plus 8 is equal to 8. Okay, so yes, 7 plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 15 and 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Plus when we will add 8 with it, it will come as 18. 7 plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 15. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. So children, practice it and make sure to draw the lines. If you are having any sorts of problem, don't worry, ma'am is there for you. So this was for the day. Okay, have a nice day children. Bye bye.